Look, whether you make $10 an hour or $100 an hour, if you're not in control of your money, you'll always feel broke. See, I used to be the same way in my 20s. I would get paid on Friday, kick it all weekend, buy fast food during the week, and by the next week, I was broke. And at the time, I had no idea where my money was going. Even when I started making good money, my bills is paid, but other than that, I was broke. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, doing DoorDash or working overtime just to make ends meet, this video is for you. In this video, you'll learn 3 things: how to use ChatGPT as your financial advisor, easily see where all your money is going, and build a personalized budget that actually works for you. Most people stay broke for 3 reasons. 1, they have no clue where their money goes. 2, they don't know the difference between the needs and the wants. 3, nobody showed them how to handle money the right way. Budgeting isn't about cutting out all the fun stuff. It's about seeing your money clearly, making smart choices beforehand, and using a system that truly works for your life. All right, so here we go. First, you're gonna go into your bank's website, log in, and find your transactions page. Then you're gonna download the last 30 days or copy and paste it. Paste that into ChatGPT and tell it, can you sort these transactions into a budget report? Put them into the following categories: fixed bills, changing costs, needs versus wants, and point out any money leaks like subscriptions, deliveries, fees, and interest. Let me quickly explain each of these categories. Your fixed expenses. These are your regular bills that come every month. They're generally going to be the same amount, like rent, mortgage, car insurance, car notes, cell phone bills, student loans. Next is going to be variable. These are bills that you're going to have every month, but the amount is going to change. So like your utilities, gas for your car, groceries. Next is going to be your needs. These are absolute must-haves for living and working. So your rent, groceries, and transportation to work. Next is going to be your wants. This is everything that you enjoy, but it isn't absolutely necessary, like Starbucks, kicking it, smoking, drinking, random Amazon purchases. Lastly is going to be money leaks. These are the hidden drains that slowly eat away at your cash, like that $10 subscription you forgot about, Uber Eats, delivery fees, or interest on your credit cards. The truth is, most people make enough money, but they just don't know where it's going. Once you've got your spending sorted out, we need to create a budget. Here's what to ask ChatGPT. Based on this spending, which budget plan is better for me? The 50-30-20 rule or the zero-based budget? Let's break down these 2 popular budget styles. The 50-30-20 rule. This is a super simple way to budget. You take your income, split it into 3 big categories. First is going to be 50% for your needs. This covers all of your non-negotiable monthly bills and essential living costs. 30% for your wants. This is for all the fun stuff, like your lifestyle choices and things that make life endurable, but isn't strictly necessary. The last thing is 20% for savings and debt repayment. This portion is dedicated to building your savings, investing, paying down any debts. It's flexible and easy to follow, making it great for beginners or those who prefer a less strict approach. Now we got zero-based budgeting. It means you give every single dollar a job before each month begins. You subtract every expense from your income until you reach zero. So if you make $3,000, you're going to assign that entire $3,000 to different categories like your rent, groceries, savings, entertainment, until $0 are left over. This approach gives you maximum control and helps you be intentional with your money, making sure that nothing slips through the cracks. There's an app by Dave Ramsey called Every Dollar. It's a zero-based budgeting app that helps you keep tabs on your money. I'm not affiliated with Dave Ramsey, but I think it's a great resource. There's a free 2-week trial, then it's $18 a month. A link is in the description. Quick break. If this is making sense, please make sure you hit that like button. It helps YouTube show this video to more people that's trying to break through financially. After you hit the like button, make sure you leave a comment of what was the biggest money leak that you discovered. I'll be in the comments personally giving you game on how to plug those leaks. Now that we understand both options, I want you to ask ChatGPT, can you build a zero-based budget and a 50-30-20 budget based on your income and these expenses. You will now have 2 complete personalized budgets ready to go. Rich people just don't guess where their money goes. They decide where it goes beforehand. And now you can too. This is your chance to stop wasting money, be honest with yourself, and give every dollar a purpose. I used to just budget my money in my head and hope for the best. Now, every Sunday, I know exactly where I stand with my money. I call this my weekly money check-in. It's just 15 minutes once a week, and it completely changed my financial life. So here's how you make this powerful system a regular habit. First, you need to save your new budget from ChatGPT into a Google Doc. Every Sunday, you're going to download your latest bank statement and ask ChatGPT, compare last week's spending from this new bank statement to the budget saved in Google Docs. Show me where I spent more or less in each group using percentages. You will immediately see exactly where you slipped up, where you did great, and what needs to be fixed. It's like having your own personal finance assistant right there in the chat box. Next, I want you to go into your calendar, set a 15-minute time block to budget your money. You're gonna upload, check, and adjust. That's the secret to budgeting like a millionaire. Not just doing it once, but doing it every week. We're not aiming for perfection. We just wanna make steady efforts toward our goal. There's never a perfect time to do something. The time is always now. So take action before you get paid, so when your check comes, you already have the plan lined up and ready to execute, and there's no excuses. So let's quickly go over how you can budget your money like a millionaire starting today. You're gonna download or screenshot last month's transactions from your bank account. You're gonna rewatch this video, enter the same prompts that I gave you, pick your budget style, build your money plan, and you're gonna create a weekly routine to make sure that you're executing. You watch this video to the end for a reason, and that reason is you wanna improve your financial situation. You deserve to feel confident about your money when you look at your bank account. This exact system gives you the blueprint to be confident, but you have to execute. If this video made you think differently about money, make sure you hit subscribe. I'm always posting videos that help you get your money up, build your credit, and to get funds to start or grow your business. If this video helped you in any way, make sure you hit the like button so YouTube show it to more people. One last thing, make sure you share this video with somebody that you rock with. You don't want to be the only person in your crew or in your family that got their money up. So make sure you send it to 5 people right now so you're all on the same level. I appreciate you watching this video to the end. I'm Martin the Credit Doctor, and I'm signing out.